want to wish everyone a happy new year. Here from the city of Chicago, USA. So we got some fireworks going on out here. Hopefully we'll have a few more. It's a little bit dark, but there's fireworks going off all over the place. Go figure. Anyways, I'll be uploading quite a few videos this year in 2011. And oh man, guess I'm not gonna do that many fireworks. So, oh well. Oh, there's a big boom. So I'll watch for a few more seconds here. But there we go. A lot of horn honking and people going wild out in the streets. So I don't know if we'll have any more. Oh well. So alright guys, that's about it. Just want to wish everyone a happy 2011, and be sure to check out some more of my videos that'll be coming this year. And yeah, wish you all the best. Take care.